what will Janet Yellen's legacy be as we head towards potential fiscal reform and another rate increase?
Well, I think it's a positive legacy for Chair Yellen. She's had to navigate the end of crisis monetary policy. She's had to begin a rate normalization process. She's had to shrink the balance sheet. A lot of things could have gone wrong. They didn't. I think the one area where historians may look back is inflation has been consistently below the Fed's target, both under Yellen and the last couple of years of Bernanke. And there may be some Monday morning quarterbacks who say, why hike at all? But I think on balance, Yellen has a strong legacy.
Yeah, and, curious as to what the dots are going to say, because longer term, there's a level of neutral out there. Yeah. Does that increase? And if so, at what point?
We don't think so. We do think today that we may get an adjustment up in the dots, for example, in 2019. But what we've called the new neutral at Pimco says that the terminal funds rate is going to be somewhere in the twos. We think closer to 2 than 3. The dots are currently at 2 3/4, and we don't think those are going to move today.
Richard, what's more likely? Inflation moves nicely towards that 2% target, or it sticks to where it is right now, stubbornly below it, where it's been for the best part of 5 years?
Our baseline view is that inflation will edge up towards the target. You leave out what I think is a third possibility, which is that inflation overshoots the target. In prior rate hike cycles, we saw that. I agree. We've been through a period for 6 years where inflation's been below 2. But the economy, according to the Fed's numbers, is either at or through full employment. We're about to get a tax cut in the economy in the 9th year of an expansion. And so there is a scenario where inflation does move above that 2% target as well.